Welcome to today's topic, Eclipse IDE Installation, and I am Srikanth, Associate Professor of ECS Department, working at GPREC Karnool. You can contact at srikanth.acs@gprec.ac.in or kapsc website.srikanth@gmail.com. So let us start today's interesting topic where we like to know how to install Eclipse IDE. So in the previous video, we already come to know how to install JDK, and we also done Java program using Notepad and the command prompt window. So using the command javac and Java, which is a tedious process and the old process to execute Java program. So in today's environment, it is important that to use IDE to execute Java programs, because most of the industries they prefer to use Eclipse IDE to run Java programs. So let us start today's session. I just like to have some points how to install the Eclipse IDE. Topic is Eclipse IDE installation. Let us go with the first step. So we like to open the Google Chrome browser, and search for Eclipse installer. installer. Search for Eclipse installer. Right. I just try to complete this first step. I open Google Chrome browser, enter into guest mode, maximize it, and search for Eclipse installer. So uh, we got the very first website, that is Eclipse installer, eclipse.org website. I just click the very first website. I just copy this line, update my second step. Right? Second step is to open the following link. The link, it is eclipse.org. Right, here we have installer. Right. Let us see the web page, what it consists of. Right, so here we have given the the Eclipse installer. We have Windows, Mac OS, and Linux download. If you click this one, it is giving .exe file. Right, so I just move to previous page. I just go through the steps. So here it is clearly mentioned the steps to download and install the Eclipse. So we need to download Eclipse installer by using this website. The second step is to run the executable file, right? And select the package to install. So a lot of packages are available, like Eclipse IDE for Java developer or C++. So we like to go with Java developer, right? So then we need to specify the installation folder, so which we go with the default one, and we launch the Eclipse. Right. So the steps are clearly given in this web page, and we just move on further. So you can go uh, step by step from here, or you cannot directly download the file here also. Right. So I just with this one. Uh, so we are getting into the page, so where we have the .exe. Third step is to load this file. Right? Just click this one. Starts. It is placed in downloads folder. It is downloading. The download is in progress, and which is of 158 MB. So meanwhile, we just try to update the third step. The third step is to download the following file. So the name of the file is eclipse-inst-jre win64.exe, right? So which is downloaded in the download folder. It is downloaded in the downloads folder, the system. Let us check whether the file is there or not. Yes, it is downloaded. So now you open your Explorer and go to downloads folder, and you can see the application. Just delete. This is the file we downloaded, right? And you double click this file where the installation process starts. Great. Just go with Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And so the folder is my PC. So we go with the default installation folder, and it is giving Java 21 plus virtual machine, right? So it is watch Java 21 version. Uh, we need to create start menu entry and desktop shortcut, and click the install button. So we just accept it, the user agreement. So we just update. So what we have done, the fourth step, to double click the .exe file and choose Eclipse IDE for Java developer. It is used to develop Java application, right? So then it is asking agreement. We accept it. The installation process is good, right? So in the fifth step, click install button and go with default options. No need to change any installation process. It's a very simple job to install Eclipse IDE, where we can run our Java applications. Lot of industries, they ask uh, to work in Eclipse IDE, or we have one more IDE called IntelliJ IDE, which are very more popular to develop Java applications. It is taking some time. Install application in system, which wait to steps what we have done here. We just open Google Chrome browser and we search for Eclipse installer, and we open the following link, that is eclipse.org, which is the official website to download the installer, right? So, and we downloaded the .exe file, and the .exe file name is eclipse-inst-re. After that, we just move to downloads folder where it is downloaded, and we double click the .exe file, and we have chosen the option Eclipse IDE for Java developers to run our Java application. Then you can click install button and go with the default option. Is in progress. It takes some time to download or to install the application. Check the steps what we have done. So we have run the application, and we have selected Eclipse IDE for Java developers with the install button. So once the installation is complete, you can now launch Eclipse. Has done happy code. So we to go with this option So doing Java programs in an Eclipse IDE is a good practice where a lot of code been automatically generated and your work it gets minimized, right? In Notepad, it is a tedious process where we need to type the entire program, uh, and we also face a lot of errors, right? And debugging process it becomes difficult, right? And even indentation process also we need to take care of in the Notepad. Great. The installation process is completed successfully, and we are at launch button, right? So we just update this sixth step after successful installation. Click launch button to dashboard of Eclipse. Great. So we just click this launch button. I am clicking launch button. Let's see what happens. Home page. So it is asking for Eclipse workspace. The workspace it is given in C drive, users, my PC, and Eclipse workspace. I go with the default one and then I click launch button. Right. So go with the default workspace and click launch button. Great. You just so it is asking whether the Microsoft Defender want to scan this application or not. We just exclude the scan with genuine version. Proceed with go with yes. This is the home page. Hope you are clear how to install your Eclipse IDE. In the next session, we try to do our first Java program in this Eclipse workspace. Thank you. Thank you for your patience listening. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Be in tuned. So we just have one more video with our first Java program, or let us see the structure of Java program. Happy learning. Thank you.